Okay.
I'll try to turn it up.
Oh,
Yes. Okay.
all right, we're ready. Thank you, Leonard.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Hello, this is Leonard Peltier, and I'm hearing of your efforts to help the environment and all the good things that Mother Earth needs to survive, and I'm very proud of you. And I wish I could be there in person, but unfortunately they wouldn't allow me because I'm basically still under prison conditions, and but just knowing that you're doing this is really it's really inspired me and made me feel very, very proud of you, because when you're laying in prison and you don't know what's going on out there, you don't know what's happening. It gets at many times in my 49 years got very depressing, not knowing what was going on out there, what was happening out here, and have the younger generation taken over. And then to find out these things are still going on, you're still doing these things, it's overwhelming inspiration to me to continue living. And I'm very, very proud of you. Yeah.
Oh.
Any questions? Any questions? Any questions?
We're proud of you. Love you.
We love you, Leonard.
We love you, Leonard.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I love you too. Yeah. I wish I could be there. Damn, I wish I could be there.
So good to hear your voice, because we made each other in prison for a long
Yeah.
time. When the change
Yeah.
it's a stalking crime.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. All right. Well, I'm glad you're out there. I'm glad you're out there working with people too.
Peltier, you're an inspiration to all the young generations. You're a beautiful inspiration, and I've looked up to you my whole life, and I know many others who have as well. And thank you. It's so beautiful to hear your voice.
Thank you, my dear. Thank you.
So much.
Tell me your nation you're representing.
Choctaw.
Oh, yeah? Cool. That's cool. Yeah.
Hey Leonard, my name's Greta. I'm from many. My name's Greta. I'm from many nations, including the Choctaw Nation of Oklahoma. My ancestors migrated from Mississippi to Oklahoma on the Trail of Tears, and I was raised to really hold you in great regard and respect for your life, and honor you, and this prayer for peace. Thank you so much for joining us in this beautiful prayer for a peaceful earth and a beautiful tomorrow.
Thank you.
We hope you love for your brave life.
I would like to say this to you. It doesn't matter. As myself, I come from more than one nation. I come from 3 nations of natives. So be proud of them, no matter which nation it is. Be proud of them, because we are the greatest people in the world. We are the most popular people in the world. All around the world, people love indigenous people from America.
That's right.
So, yeah. So keep strong, keep your heart good, and we will survive.
We will survive as you have. Thank you for all your perseverance through all your years of persecution, and that you're still here and still making this prayer. Thank you. Aho, brother.
Yeah.
Hello, Uncle Leonard. This is Mountain Deer, Ute Nation in Taos, Pueblo. You're a really big inspiration to myself and our other brothers and sisters here. And what an honor it is to be able to be speaking to you, and you wrote us 2 statements for me and Michael Davis when we were doing a run for you through our canyon here for freedom. and another one for May Day. And it's an honor that you wrote us a statement while you were incarcerated. And thank you.
That was a few years ago now.
Yes, it was a beautiful time. Thank you, Uncle. And
oh, that's all right. That's all right. I'm just, like I keep saying, I'm just so proud of you young people that you're continuing to struggle, and because it's not over for us. It's not. It's unfortunate, but it's not over. They're still trying to destroy us. They're still trying to terminate us. So, to me, to know that you young people are out there are stepping forward, it's the greatest thing. That's greatest appreciation you could have sent me for standing up and fighting for the people. It's beautiful, and I love it, and I'm proud of you. And stay healthy, stay strong.
I will. Thank you, Uncle. Ta'a.
Yeah. Oh.
Hi there, Uncle Leonard. My name is Tanside Sunbird, and I come from Oke Winge Tewa people. And we did a run for you a few years ago and said some prayers on your behalf. And Mike here had me speak some of your words in front of a crowd a few years ago. But I've always grown up hearing your name and what you went through. And I just want to say a prayer for you in my language and my tongue. And send you in a good way that ra bia geni baiki bori kunda po win cham po wimuin ra kuna wa na bia gi me ra kuima sim wa biani ra toe pimpie champia kompie tampie ra pa kori no sukinu ge pie ra wati visigi ani se khani ani wati pingang sha wang sha mi na no way na vi o way ra Leonard Peltier na vi me ra wati pingang sha ra se tato removing se tato repoping na wa se tato removing se khani muni o kuna wa. Thank you for listening to my prayer, and I'm just with that prayer wishing you a long life, good long healthy life for the rest of your years.
Come on, well, shit. Thank you, my boy. Thank you, my son. Thank you.
Hi, Leonard.
Hi, my dear.
I love you. Thank you so much. I'm so glad you got out. And I went to Washington, D.C. a couple times with Mike and a bunch of people. And it's just an honor to speak with you. And thank you for the beautiful message that you share with the people. And thank you for your beautiful art and the message that portrays. And I hope you're well. I heard you had a death in the family. I hope everybody's doing all right and supporting each other. And thank you so much for being a part of our Earth Day event and global peace. And I know you know Yamato from way back, and he's supported you for many years. And did he get to speak to Yamato?
He did. We can bring Yamato back.
Oh, okay, good.
Get Yamato.
Yamato loves you too.
Right here. Yamato, come say hi to Leonard Peltier. All right, here's Leonard. This is Reverend Yamato, who started the Global Peace Walk, and
okay. Yeah, I talked to him earlier. I thought. Yeah.
Thank you, Leonard Peltier. Free. Thank you. Living Globe.
Thank you.
Living Globe, all my friend.
Everything you do.
This globe is our house and altar. All future generation pray for global peace. Only this global vehicle only rescue the future generation. Thank you, all my friend. Living globe, all my friend. Leonard Peltier.
Thank you for the work you're doing.
Free for the Leonard Peltier. Wonderful blessing and a beautiful relationship to all over the universe.
Thank you, brother. Thank you.
Uncle, my name is Shemaine Mahon, and My question I have for you today on this beautiful Earth Day where the wind is blowing, the sun is out here in Taos. My question is that we're in a huge revolutionary shift right now with a lot of forces coming through and obviously extracting a lot of resources from the heart and from our land. And my question for you is, in the midst of these revolutions, when things feel overpowering, when we feel so small, what would be your advice to the activists, to the people who are just living their daily lives, how they can continue to be part of the revolution in a good way?
I would start off by saying a prayer to Wonka Donka, the Great Spirit, asking him for strength, asking him for wisdom to continue to struggle and to stay strong, because for 500 years they've tried to exterminate us, and we are still here. But they were wrong. We are still here, and we're going to continue to be here. So the message I have is stay strong, stay united. We can win.
Aho, Matake Yoasin. Thank you so much, and many blessings to you and your family and all those who walk beside you and all those who come after you.
No.
Good one. Thank you so much, Uncle Leonard. It's Mike again, and there are 200 children here, and everyone heard your message. Thank you so much.
All right, you're welcome.
We have one more. We have a Rasta man here, a good friend. He's taking you private, but I'm still talking.
Organized to resist and all these restrictions you're putting on me. You know, they're trying to take me away. They're even trying to take away some of my religious rights, and so I have no other alternative to continue to stand up against them. And we are now organizing a team of lawyers to resist these restrictions. Yeah.
Good one. This is Mike in New Mexico and Taos and the Southwest. We have your back, and anything we can do to support you in this, just let us know. You have tons of supporters down here. We love you and we respect you, and we'll do anything to help you out.
Yeah. Give Bev Holland a big shout out for all of us. Tell her we're behind her, and we will do everything we can to support her and make sure she wins with a major landslide, not just a small victory, but a major landslide. So all you youngsters and everything, come out and help her.
Bev Holland.
Yeah, Deb Holland. We need to send them a message that we are coming, and we are coming strong.
Aho.
Yeah.
Good one. Thank you, Uncle Leonard. Thanks for taking your time and sharing your words and message with the people.
Okay. You're welcome.
Aho. Have a good day.
Doksha.
Doksha.
All right, quick.
Thanks, guys.
For the food, for being here, for the good energy, for the children being here. Thank you. Blessings to you all. Remember, Earth Day is not just today, it's every day. We can do our part to make something beautiful happen. you know, maybe one day we could be able to, you know, if you see trash, pick it up, you know, try to just do a good deed for Mother Earth, make things good. Thank you, Native Media Network, for being here. Harmon, thank you to anyone else that was a part of this, to the Sheriff's Department for providing the safety for us to get here. Thank you to them, and to the mayor and everybody else. Blessings and love and abundance for each and every one of us. Thank you, Reverend Yamato, for being here. Thank you all, brothers and sisters, as well.